At this plant, there's approximately 30 Orica employees. We make specialty emulsifiers to be used in making ammonium nitrate emulsifiers.
Here in Orica Deer Park, we have a wide range of products and in turn processes, and I think that what keeps our job interesting, and I think that's what I most enjoy about my work as well, is that there are actually no 2 days that are the same and are alike.
The site has a rich history, and I think it's the collaboration required to make what we do every day happen and do that safely is incredibly rewarding.
Even though it's a fast-paced working environment, there's a strong sense of focus on safety and teamwork, in which I really appreciate.
Working with a small group of people and getting to know them personally, and also for me to be able to apply my skill and helping out the plant to be more efficient.
So I really believe in a team that respects each other, looks out for each other and help each other out. And I think here in Orica Deer Park is not only encouraged, but it's actually expected.
The things that the company is unique from other companies that I work for is that this company treats people as people, and also putting safety as number one over anything else. So I just believe that the company is sincere in looking after their people.
I think what I like most living here in Melbourne is it's a melting pot of different cultures.
I love living in Melbourne because of the multiculturalism and also the opportunities it presents to me.
Melbourne music scene, for one, it's incredible. And we have a couple of really good local hills. So snow season in winter, it's definitely the place to be.